oktyabr o'qituvchilar kuni bilan tabriklaymiz. You are the best teacher in the world. Wherever I may go in my life, I will always remember you that I had an excellent guide in the teacher of the phone. You inspired me to reach my goals and achieve my dreams. First of all, you inspired me to be you. I am grateful to be your student. Happy Teachers' Day. I wish you all the best and may all of your dreams come true.
Assalamu alaikum Botraka, Nafsaiti. I want to congratulate you with Teacher's Day. I had so many ways to get to my destination, but you showed me the right one. I'm so thankful for you, for your devotion and dedication. It's the most powerful thing in my life. I'm so proud to be your student. Thank you, teacher, for believing in me. Thanks for making me what I'm today. Happy Teacher's Day one more time, Ms. Nafisa. You are my all-time favorite teacher. I feel really lucky to have you as my teacher. I'm proud to be your student. Thank you for everything.
Congratulations to our dear teacher who has been the contributor to the majority of our achievements and who has been the real teacher of our of many lessons in our life, and the one who I'm limitlessly grateful.
Assalamu alaikum Botraka. In this day I want to express that you had a great influence on our life, like our motivator, role model for us. I'm really happy that I have a lot of chances to travel with you, like you have been in Korea and London with you, and I really appreciate it. Because of your devotion and dedication, I am here and reaching all of my goals. Thank you.
Assalomu alaykum Botir aka va Fast Education o'qituvchilari. Sizlarni bugungi 1-oktyabr o'qituvchi va murabbiy kunlari bilan chin yurakdan tabriklayman. Sizlarga uzoq umr, ishlaringizga rivoj tilab qolaman.
Assalamu alaikum Botraka. Today everything is for you to be proud of your framework that you have given, that pushed us to go on the maximum level we have deserved. You are the legend that spread all the kindness to us and that treated all of us as the best as we wanted. Since I have been taking the directions you have given, I was corrected and directed. We are disproportionately happy that you are living in the era you are living, and that it's the most imperative portion that pushed and makes us to go up to the maximum level and straight up. Thanks for everything you have given for us, and we believe in you and you believe in us.
Assalamu alaikum Botraka. Accept my warmest congratulations. I am truly honored to be your student, and I thank you for all the guidance and education you have showered upon me. We, all your students, always appreciate and value your consistent efforts, your dedication and devotion to make us succeed in our lives. The whole world needs small teachers like you. You have enlightened 1,000 souls with the light of your wisdom and ignited in them the ever-burning flame of imagination. May you never be tired of teaching your students, your lazy students like us. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum Botraka. I'm blissfully happy to congratulate you with such amazing day and a Teacher's Day. Actually, for me personally, you were a paradigm of imitating. I'm blissfully happy that I know such amazing, such highly intelligent person as you, who put an inspiration for me to study, who gave us a basic knowledge how to be successful person in their life. And actually, with the help of, with the inspiration and dedication of you, now I'm here and study as one of the prestigious university. Thanks a lot, Mr. Botraka.
Dear Mr. Butter, it's known that today is a Teacher's Day, and taking advantage of this situation, I would like to congratulate you with this holiday, and I wish you all the happiness, health and the wealth during all of your lifelong period, and may your dreams come true. We are so happy to be your students because of your guidance and methods that urged us to achieve all of our goals. Once again, happy Teacher's Day, Mr. Butter.
Assalomu alaikum butun Fast Education jamoasiga, and especially to Botir aka and Shuhrat aka.
Assalomu alaikum Botir aka hamda Fast Education'ning barcha o'quvchilariga.
Hi, Mr. Batajuraev. I congratulate you with the 1st October National Teacher's Day.
Avvalambor assalomu alaykum Fast Education jamoasi, shu jumladan Botir aka, ya'ni Mr. Joy va o'zimning matematika o'qituvchim Shuhrat aka Saidqul.
Hello, my dear teacher, Mr. Batajuraev. I congratulate you with the first day of 1st October, which is the day of the teachers.
Assalomu alaykum Botir aka va Fast Education'ning barcha o'qituvchilariga.
Assalamu alaikum. On behalf of 1st October Teachers' Day, I congratulate all of the Fast Education team, and a special thanks to Botir aka.
This is to you.
Assalomu alaykum Botir aka, sizni shu bugungi o'qituvchilar kuni bilan tabriklab qolamiz va shu qatori bizga shuncha shu Inha universitetiga o'qishga qabul qilinimizga shuncha katta yordam berganingiz uchun sizga rahmat deb qolamiz. Avvalambor assalomu alaykum Botir aka. همین روزنگی bayram ki شما تبریک کنیم همین قطاری من اون روز بچه‌ها که همین universitet به خواندم دارم دیگه به یارنو گیتام روش با یک بار رحمت گفتیم اونیم.
Assalomu alaykum Botir aka, siz mana shu universitetga hech qachon kira olmasdik, faqat orzu qilib yurishimiz mumkin edi. Sizga sihat salomatlik, uzoq umr va avvalambor albatta sizni bayramingiz bilan tabriklayman. Katta rahmat sizga.
Assalomu alaykum Botir aka, sog'liqlaringiz yaxshimi? Charchab yotibsizmi? Xo'p, bugungi bayramlaringiz muborak bo'lsin. O'qituvchi murabbiylar kuni bilan yana bir marta tabriklayman. Sizga oilaviy tinchlik, mustahkam sog'liq, hormay tomay lazy studentlarni tarbiyalab odam kuch chiqarishingiz uchun Xudodan kuch-quvvat so'rayman. Yana bir bor bayramlaringiz muborak bo'lsin.
Good afternoon, dear Mr. Botir. I congratulate you with the Teacher's Day. I wish you joy, much health, sunny days. Always be happy, be motivated. For the success of your students have achieved, we always are ready to motivate you that you have been the best teacher in the world and you will be the best. Congratulate you. Goodbye.
Assalomu alaykum Botir aka. Sizni mana shu bugungi 1-oktyabr o'qituvchilar kuni bilan tabriklaymiz. Mana shu sizni yordamingiz bilan mana shu Inha universitetida o'qishga muyassar bo'ldik. Avvalambor sizga kattakon rahmat va yana bir bor bayram bilan tabriklaymiz.
Thank you, dear Mr. Botir.